Please! Oh, I swear, if somebody...
Bruh.
I know damn well Marionette not here in front my freaking face! I know damn... This girl wants to fight. This Marionette wants to fight! I'm fed up, you know. What the hell are we supposed to do, dog? I literally can't move anywhere. People coming from left to right. I'm going to vent too. I'm going to vent too. Mamacita, please. Anna, please. Tell God you love me and his kids.
Oh yeah, AD.
Oh my God. I'm scared.